Ultimate space transformation in a flash glass partition walls with ultra-thin frames. Are you looking for a way to expand your living space without having to tear down walls? If so, then movable glass partitions are the perfect solution for you. Mobile glass partitions with ultra-thin frames and double glazed glass are a smart and flexible solution to help you optimize your living space. The transparent glass panels glide effortlessly on tracks, allowing you to easily create private spaces or open up the space when you need to. They provide privacy without closing off the space completely. You can use movable glass partitions to divide a living room into a quiet work or study area, or to create a cozy guest room for visitors. The flexibility of these partitions will make your home much more comfortable and convenient. Movable glass partitions can be easily installed in any space, from homes and offices to restaurants and hotels. Movable glass partitions with ultra-thin frames and double glazed glass are the ideal solution for anyone looking to optimize their living space. With their transparent design and easy mobility, movable glass partitions will give you a more comfortable and convenient living space. Contact us today for a consultation and to get your movable glass partitions installed and open up your home to a whole new level of comfort.